guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these earrings. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing to make this earring are a head pin, a earring hook, beads of your choice, and I'm also using this rhinestone spacer. The tools I'll be using is this Ronald's plier. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my head pin and start putting in the beads that I'll be using for this earring. Since I don't need to cut any more like extra head pin, I'm just going to bend it and start making our loop. So I'm going to go to the tiniest size, but you could do whatever size you want your loop to be. Take it from there and start bending it in. So right here I'm just going to add my earring hook before I can close my loop. And I'm going to finish closing my loop. And that is how you make your two pair of earrings. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit that like button down below. Subscribe to watch more videos like this about jewelry and crafts. And comment down below if you have any suggestions that we could do on this channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!